Your home should be a reflection of your personality, style, and elegance. Whether you love modern minimalism, classic luxury, or a touch of contemporary charm, creating a chic and sophisticated space is all about the right balance of colors, textures, furniture, and decorative accents. In this video, we'll explore the best home decor tips and inspiring interior design ideas to help you transform your space into a stylish and elegant sanctuary. Let's dive in. Elevate with a neutral color palette. A chic and sophisticated home often starts with a neutral color palette, which serves as the foundation for a calm and inviting atmosphere. Shades like soft whites, warm beiges, elegant grays, and muted earth tones create a timeless and refined backdrop that allows for versatility in design. These neutral tones can be used on walls, ceilings, and even larger pieces of furniture to establish a serene environment. Incorporating a neutral palette doesn't mean the space has to feel bland or uninviting. To add depth and dimension, it's essential to introduce contrasting tones that can bring life to the overall aesthetic. For instance, deep charcoal can add a touch of drama when used as an accent wall, while navy blue provides a sophisticated contrast that pairs beautifully with lighter neutrals. Rich jewel tones, such as emerald green, ruby red, or sapphire blue, can be introduced through furniture pieces, throw pillows, curtains, or artwork to create visual interest and a focal point within the room. Textures also play a significant role in a neutral color palette. Mixing materials such as soft linen, plush velvet, rustic wood, and smooth metals can enhance the space's sensory experience while keeping the overall look cohesive. Layering different fabrics and finishes not only adds warmth but also encourages a more comfortable and approachable ambience. Luxurious textures and materials. Textures play a key role in achieving a sophisticated look, transforming a simple room into a sumptuous sanctuary. When designing a space, consider the diverse array of materials available and how they can be layered together to create depth and character. Here are some detailed insights on how to achieve a visually captivating environment. Heavy checkmark velvet and silk are exceptional fabric choices that can instantly elevate the ambience of a room. Velvet, with its rich pile and sumptuous feel, adds a sense of luxury, while silk offers a soft sheen that catches the light beautifully. Together, they can be incorporated in upholstery, throw pillows, or drapery to create an upscale, plush look that feels inviting and intimate. Heavy checkmark for a modern luxury aesthetic, combining marble, brass, and glass is a powerful trio. Marble surfaces, whether in countertops, tiles, or decorative accents, provide an air of elegance and timelessness. Brass fixtures or decorative elements add warmth and shine, creating contrasts against cooler materials. Meanwhile, glass can lend an ethereal touch, allowing light to flow and making spaces feel more open. Together, these elements form a sophisticated dialogue that emphasizes contemporary design. Investing in high-quality, statement furniture is essential for a sophisticated home. The right furniture not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space but also reflects your personal style and taste. A sleek, modern sofa or a classic tufted couch can serve as the focal point of your living area, instantly elevating the overall ambience. These pieces contribute to a harmonious balance between comfort and style, inviting relaxation while making a bold design statement. Elegant dining tables crafted from materials such as marble, glass, or solid would create a refined dining experience. Marble tables, with their unique veining and polished finish, bring an opulent touch, while glass tables can create a sense of openness and enable light to flow through the space. Solid wood, on the other hand, adds warmth and timelessness to the room. When paired with stylish chairs, these tables encourage family gatherings and dinner parties, becoming the heart of your home. Incorporate sculptural chairs, ottomans, or console tables into your decor to further add character and personality. Sculptural chairs can act as art pieces, drawing attention and sparking conversation, while ottomans provide both comfort and functionality, doubling as extra seating or a footrest. Console tables placed strategically in hallways or entryways not only offer a stylish surface for decor but also serve as functional storage solutions for keys, mail, or decorative accents. Art and decor for a polished look. The right decor is crucial in transforming an ordinary space into a sophisticated interior that reflects style and personality. Emphasizing quality over quantity, a less is more approach is key. Here are some detailed elements to consider when curating your decor. Heavy checkmark oversized art pieces or well-arranged gallery walls. Incorporating large-scale artwork can serve as a bold focal point in your space. Whether you choose a single oversized painting that commands attention or a gallery wall filled with a mix of framed pictures, prints, and other artwork, the goal is to create a cohesive and visually appealing display. Consider mixing textures and frames for added interest, and ensure the pieces resonate with your personal aesthetic while also complementing your overall interior design. Heavy checkmark decorative vases, sculptural pieces, or coffee table books, adding unique decorative items, such as artisanal vases or eye-catching sculptures, can infuse your space with personality and charm. These items can be conversation starters and showcase your taste. Coffee table books, particularly those on art, travel, or design, not only beautify your living space but also invite guests to engage with your interests. The combination of these elements brings warmth and depth to your decor. Heavy checkmark large mirrors. Strategic placement of mirrors can enhance the light in a room and create an illusion of a larger space. Whether you opt for a statement mirror above a fireplace or a series of smaller mirrors arranged artfully on a wall, they can reflect natural light and add a feeling of openness. Choose frames that echo your style, be it modern, vintage, or eclectic, to maintain cohesion in your design scheme. Lighting, the secret to elegance. Lighting is not just a functional necessity, it is the cornerstone of creating an atmosphere and enhancing the elegance of any space. The right lighting can transform a mundane room into a luxurious haven, adding depth and character to your environment. Light bulb chandeliers and pendant lights. These stunning fixtures are often the focal points of a room, drawing the eye upwards and creating a sense of grandeur. Chandeliers, with their intricate designs and sparkling crystals, exude opulence, making them perfect for dining rooms and entryways. Pendant lights, available in various styles from modern to vintage, can provide a striking visual impact when hung over kitchen islands or dining tables. Light bulb wall sconces and table lamps. These smaller fixtures play a crucial role in setting the overall tone of a space. Wall sconces can highlight architectural features or artwork, casting a warm glow that invites comfort. Table lamps, on the other hand, offer versatility. They can be used for task lighting on desks or side tables while enhancing the decor. Choosing lamps with unique designs or interesting textures can also serve as decorative elements themselves. Final touches, bringing it all together. To complete your chic and sophisticated home decor, it's essential to focus on achieving balance and harmony throughout the space. This means that every element within your home should work together seamlessly, creating an inviting atmosphere that radiates style and tranquility. Here are some detailed tips to help you accomplish this. Heavy checkmark. Keep clutter to a minimum. A clean space always looks more elegant. Clutter can create a feeling of chaos and can detract from the beauty of your home. To maintain an elegant aesthetic, consider investing in stylish storage solutions. Use decorative baskets, chic boxes, or built-in shelving to organize items and keep surfaces clear. Regularly assess your belongings and remove anything that no longer serves a purpose or brings you joy. Heavy checkmark: add fresh greenery or floral arrangements for a natural, refreshing touch. Incorporating plants or flowers into your interior design can significantly enhance the ambience of your space. Choose a variety of indoor plants or seasonal flowers that complement your color scheme. Consider elegant vases or plant stands that add a decorative element while showcasing the beauty of nature. Plants not only improve air quality but also add vibrancy and warmth to your home. A chic and sophisticated home is all about intentional design choices, elegant furniture, and timeless decor. Whether you're revamping a single room or transforming your entire space, these tips will help you create an interior that is both stylish and inviting. Which decor tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.